Good morning. We are live. Oh, good morning. Andy, El Paso, Marco, NQ, Trader NQ. We got Austin, Joshua, Sean, Nicholas. Good morning, guys. Let's have a good day. Hopefully, we need to break the streak. It's been one of my worst trading streaks of the year, especially since like February. In January, it was bad, but crazy how fast things go out of hand. I'm gonna have to do 2 contracts today. I can't do 3. And then we're gonna try to trade the accounts after as well. Raider, Alex, Black Magic, good morning. Miss K will be here. She never misses a beat. Joey, good luck. All right. Draw some levels, I guess. Volatility is very low. That is for sure. Right now at the open, the volatility is very low. So hopefully right at the open we go crazy. 1 minute till the open. Dustin, good morning. Let's go. I'm already like preparing myself to lose these accounts, so like it's only up from here basically, right? Could only be a surprise if we save them. It's been an absolute great run. Copy traders on. These all-time highs, man, I just hate. Market just behaves differently. Come on. Oh god. I have no idea what's going on. That is the 5th loss in 7 days. Oh, we only did 1 contract. Let's go. Supposed to be 2. Maybe that's what I'm gonna do. 1 contract till we figure it out. There we go. All right. Well, we're gonna just trade 80-20 at this point and see what we could get. Now she goes. One account is $337 away from blowing. My first blown Apex account from payouts this year. An account that reached payout will be blown for the first time. Yeah, I watched the game. I should probably take off the rest of the week at this point. I have no idea what's going on. So good morning, Miss K. I'm gonna have to start all over again, just like I did in September. Just sucks, but it is what it is. Maybe it's the Lucid curse. I don't know. Trading Lucid evals. And ever since I've done that, it's been red after red. Okay, long. Please don't be a bottom tick here. Swear to God, if this is the double bottom here, I'm gonna just cry. All right, we blew our first Apex account of the year. That reached the payout. Rest in peace. See if 680 holds. I'm not gonna buy Apex for now, Elaine. I'm gonna do other with the daily loss limit. It's gonna be I'm gonna focus on other prop firms for now. I'm still gonna have few Apex. I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3. I have 4 Apex accounts still. Lucid, TRADEIFY, Phidias, obviously take profit. That's what I'm gonna focus on. Got lucky there. Got a little lucky. How is Take Prop Trader the best prop firm by far? It's just very hard. It's one of the hardest prop firms, but it's the most rewarding if you're trading well. All right, I'm gonna take that. Made back the loss. Why is it hard? 5-day eval, and mentally you could get a payout every day. So from day one, so you're gonna push hard on it, and it just mentally, more mentally than anything else. But the 5-day eval is one of the most difficult things about it, and you know the evals are tough. But it's the best prop firm by far. So yeah, we blew our first Apex account of the year. Unbelievable. 6 months in. Pretty solid. Yeah, I have all legacy accounts. It's the first account that I got to a payout this year that it's blown. Every account that reached the payout this year for me is still with me till now. Hopefully we can make like $2,000 today on these accounts and be right back on track. Just need some solid trades here. That was a good one. That was a 40-pointer. A couple more of those. Yes, my funded futures as well. When will Apex start rolling out live accounts, Alpine? I have no idea. I have no idea. I stay out of all that stuff. I'm just a trader at this point, okay? Forget that I'm an influencer because I know nothing about prop firms anymore. I literally, you guys see me how much time I spend on the screen. I literally come here at my desk at 9:20 a.m. I stream. I end the stream. Maybe I'll do a couple emails if a lot of times I do it during the stream, but maybe I'll do a couple emails and then I leave and I don't see my computer till 9 o'clock in the morning next day. So that means I am very clueless about how prop firms operate. You ask me a question about a prop firm, how does it work? And I'll be, besides TPT, I don't know anything. Well, TPT and Bullnox, I guess. Those are the two that haven't changed much. So those are, honestly, those are the only two prop firms I know how they work. But now TPT changed their live program, so now I don't know how that works. But as far as like the sim program, I know how it works. Lucid, I have no idea. I have 2 Lucid accounts. I have no idea how they work. TRADEIFY, I don't know how it works. New Apex, I don't know how it works, how much it costs. No interest. My Fund the Futures, I have no idea. I just know they have the Rapid, which is daily payouts because of you guys keep saying that. That's pretty cool. Sometimes the less we know, the better. Just trade. If you trade well, you can trade with every prop firm. That's the, that's the thing. If I take this one more time. Well, I took it thinking that it's going to bounce, but it's not going to. It might, but it might stop me out first. If I got in on 80, it would have been better. But no, this is going to fall apart. We're going to take a long at 620. $620 is has that support here. We'll see. I don't think I'm gonna blindly buy it. I'm just gonna wait. You have news? Should have bought 620 instead. Should have bought it. Waited for yeah. That would have been potentially a quick winner. No, but I'm not scalping. I'm gonna take bigger wins if I can. Come on, give me 580. 580 was very nice. Okay, back down to where I was before. Crazy drop. No way. No freaking way. Wow. Market hates me. Well, we're in 2 contracts now. The fuck happened there? Oh. Damn. Market is ruthless right now. A little more accounts. There's TPT has like a live, forget what they call it. The secondary live account that's kind of worse than the primary one. It's apparently for the ones that abuse the live program. But I don't know exactly. There's like no drawdown left on these accounts, so just gonna let it be the last trade. And we say goodbye to our legacy accounts. Good run, 130,000 on these accounts. Unless we get a 100-point rip right now, then we'll save them. I will have 4 accounts left. So we could still get something out of them, but I'm not going to trade them for a while. We got to figure out why I can't seem to find a winning trade right now. And focus on other prop firms. And then once things come back, then I'll trade those Apex accounts. I'm just going to like flip them or trade them once in a while just so it's not, doesn't go into inactivity. I don't know if that exists or not, but this is my 5th red day in 7 days. That's why we blew the account, and I got payouts from them. So there was not much drawdown. So it's like losing a brand new account, basically. It's not like I had cushion, you know? So the timing of it was fine. I took money out of all the accounts. There was no money left behind, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. But maybe we'll get a 100-point rip here and we'll have 4 more accounts. Maybe we'll just hold it all day. Let's hold it for 150 points. Why not? Just willing to lose the accounts? What do you mean? I'm not willing. I just haven't traded well. It's my 5th red day in 7 days. What do you expect? I expect to keep the accounts. If I'm looking to get to a payout in like 8 days, like if I lose for 5 days in a row, obviously survival of the account is very unlikely. I'm not just willing to lose. I don't know what that means. I'm not trying to lose. I'm not on tilt. I'm literally trading the strategy. Well, right now I'm obviously trying to make up the big loss. No. I've made money with, I used to trade them combined. ORB has been losing every day basically, so. Don't worry about that. All right, we got 100 points. Didn't take it off. Mic turned off? No, you're just muted. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more. I'll sell for 110 points. How about that? Because we'll be green. We'll be green on these accounts on the day. And then we could trade more after that. Come on. Am I getting greedy now? Because 620 is going to act as resistance. Yes, it will. Yeah, a lot of people struggle too. And people just don't show everything. You know, like no one would know I would struggle if I wasn't live streaming. I honestly, I'm so like into my yard work right now that I don't even, doesn't really bother me. I mean, the only thing is I need money, right? I need money for the yard work. So, but we made a lot. We made a lot last month. So, unfortunately, I didn't sell that for 100 points. But hopefully, 580 does its job. Take it before luck runs out. Well, the luck would be if this goes another like 50 points. That's the luck. The luck already ran out, unfortunately. If this comes back all the way down, then it just wasn't meant to be. That's all. It's just part of trading, how 3 points makes everything different. Like people say, oh, there's no luck in trading. Yes, there is. There's so much luck in trading. Couple points. Yesterday, 3 points dictated whether we have a green day or a big red day. Multiple times. But I'm gonna have, if this doesn't work, this trade doesn't work, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 Apex accounts left, and then I'm gonna focus on other prop firms. I'm not doing the new Apex accounts for time being. I'm gonna give it a break for a little bit, and focus on TPT. Ah, man, it's just gonna come back all the way. Oh, Apex is paying, but you know they might pay you once, and then you might get to go live. So you got to be cautious with not cautious with payout, but cautious with running up the accounts and thinking that you're gonna get the money. Like get to first payout, see how it goes, and then if they let you trade, then you keep trading. If not, at least you made some money. Crazy, we're gonna get a full rollover here. I had my 100 points, I didn't take it off. And now we're gonna come back all the way down. Crazy. That's just how it goes. When things don't go well, things just don't go well. It's just life. Damn, that hurts. This one hurts because that was a potential for a reversal for sure. Kind of like yesterday. This had a potential to run another 50, 60 points. It still can. It's just too deep of a pullback. If it would have held, the only good thing is like we know our stop is below the lows. That's the positive because it has to make new lows before it stops me out. So it's not like the stop is in the middle of. And we got news at 10. Come on. Come on, news. Be good to us. Nice wick there. Come on. How many accounts do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we would have 8. Well, come on, news. What kind of news was that? It barely moved. Let's just get. I want to hold it to like 640, 650. So I could be done for the day. If I take this at 630, I'm not gonna be done for the day. Because I'm just gonna be break even on the day. Maybe up a little bit. Nope, 620 is gonna work like a charm. Damn. Is it gonna do it? I feel like I'm trading an eval at this point. There we go. All right, let's cancel that. All right, we saved 4. Now she's gonna rip to 680. The 110-point trade. I think we had to have like $300 in drawdown left, maybe 500 and some. Kind of wish I held it longer now because all that for extra, literally $100. Gotta get some green days here under our belt. Some green trades in the row. Get some confidence. That was a nice 520 long though. Good thing I used stops. If I didn't use stops, the accounts would have been blown. That was good. Nice, Matthew. Nice. Good job, Joey. Now get yourself some payouts. Uh, 14K in payouts from January to end of March and only 4K since then. Yeah, I mean, markets change. It's kind of opposite for me. I struggled till end of January. And then from February to May, I did really well. And now we're going to struggle for a little bit. Hopefully I could take out at least 20 grand this month, or at least 15. I mean, it's gonna be a long stretch, but we just need one payout from Apex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts. Yeah. One payout from Apex would get us there. They will send you an email, yes. But it's gonna be like by end of today. Did you like possibly flip too many days or something? You didn't flip Monday and Tuesday, did you? See what the market does. What a tough start to the month. I gotta work on bull knocks too, actually. Gotta work on some bull knocks, evals. TPT bull knocks. Lucid. TRADEIFY. Those will be the... We lost 200 yesterday. That wouldn't affect your payouts, right? If you request a bull knocks payout today, would they wait until next Wednesday? Yes. That's what sucks about bull knocks. If they had a different payout window thing, if you request a payout every 10 days on bull knocks and get it approved, like I don't care if they pay you out on Wednesday, but get it approved before that, it would change everything. You just waste so much time in between if you don't time it correctly. But they have no rules besides like you just can't run up the account. You just can't run up the account, in 2 days and then flip or make small profits the rest of the day. So as long as you trade consistently, they have no rules. No DCA, no, none of that. You could probably still hedge their evals. I don't have an opinion on my funded futures rapid plan because I haven't used it. I heard it's good though. Only heard positive things. There she goes to 680. I have 2 days with 1450 and the rest are between 350 and 750. Yeah, that's what they don't like. You might be okay because it's not that big of a... That's what they don't like because you played the game. You played exactly that game that they don't want. You went for 2 big days and then since it's 40% consistency, the rest of the days are smaller. That's what they don't like. just so you know. But in your case, that's a smaller difference. There's some people that would go for like, you know, big days, like $5,000 days, 5,000, and then smaller, you know, $500 days just to get under 40%. At TPT, it's 5-day eval, 50% consistency on TPT. Right now, it's not the best time to try because it's 30% off. But we'll do another giveaway today, and maybe you'll win. And then the funded, it's trailing drawdown. But anything over the drawdown, you get to withdraw every day. Don't wait for 50%. Wait for 40%. 50% is not coming back. Yep, I have no TPT pros anymore. The struggle bus continues. When did that happen? I don't know. Still have it here somewhere. Oh, right here. So basically got stopped out here. And then the tanks afterwards. This was on stream. So I just went short there and walked away. And of course, this looked so weak. So I was like, oh, this is tanking now, finally. But yeah, getting stopped out like that and having it reverse and stuff like that, it's really what's been killing me lately. Wow, 680. There it is. There she is. Yes, the 5 red accounts are blown. First 5 of the year. Let me show you guys. I gotta take a screenshot of that. Maybe I should make a video about that because that's gonna be gone. Such a nice site is gonna be gone. Damn, what a squeeze. Every day it's doing this. So you see how it says active? So if you scroll all the way to the blown, that is last year. So I have not a single blown account this year from Apex that reached the payout. Look how many payouts we 5, 3, 6. So sad. So yeah, first blown accounts of the year. That's, you know, once Apex kind of went with that. All right, no more legacy, blah blah blah. No more breaking the rules. All that stuff. And I got my stuff together and went on a really good streak. Oh man, sad day. Yeah, Tyler should have held that. I should have freaking just held it. Would have saved my account at least. No, I didn't save the account. I just recovered the loss. Would have freaking saved the account. Would have been up like 1,300. Do I have to do 10 more trading days on Bullnox to request? No. It just depends what... Did they say... They just send you an email yet? Why it got denied? Oh, John, you said 1450 was at 5 micros. That's also a good... That's a good thing for you. That you didn't use bigger size. Wow. 720. 200 points. Yeah, I just replied to it. Just did. Bad day for me too, Miss K. What happened? Are you on the funded or on evals? Oh man, I don't know what to do. I think I want to pass those lucid evals. Same day evals. I gotta get familiar with Lucid and TRADEIFY, how they work. It'll take forever to build those accounts, damn it. How many contracts for 50K Lucid? I think 4. I don't know. I don't like 50K accounts too much. I blew them too fast in the recent times. I have both Flex and Lucid. One is Flex and one is Pro. This one I think is blown. I don't know why it's still here. Nah, that was nothing. Nothing great. I think the only bad trade I took today was this one here. This retest with the H pattern, I don't think that was smart of me to buy there. This was not bad. This was a double loss, so that was bad. Should have been one. And then wish I had, see, like, it's funny, like, I had 2 contracts here. Imagine I had 2 contracts here. Now that would have been epic. I don't have a preference for Pro or Flex. I don't have a preference because I don't really know the difference. I really don't know the difference. I know the evals are different. One, you could pass the eval same day, and you could actually activate it that same day. If you pass an eval with Lucid, let's say now at 10:30, by 11 o'clock, you're gonna have your funded account. It's pretty unique. And then obviously Top Step has that, and maybe TRADEIFY has it now too. And then the payouts are just instant. Like literally, you request a payout with Lucid, you get paid in a minute. However, you know, you're not gonna be able to take out that much money from them. That's the only thing. But I want to get to the live account with Lucid and just, that's still gonna be like 50 grand, right? So right now I still have like only 2,800. Like basically right now with Apex, I have 50K accounts. That's what it is. If I would have gotten just a little bit more gain on that. Next trade, if I win, it's going to be good. If I could just recover yesterday's loss of 800, that would give me a positive. Apex taking a lot of heat right now for what? I feel like they've been taking heat for last 6 months. What now? Again, I stay out of it. I don't get involved in any of. I'm trying to do less influencing and more trading. $45 for 90%. I don't know. I haven't looked. It shouldn't be. The trailing drawdown accounts are cheaper. You're probably looking at end of day. And to get a true discount, 90%, you have to use the bundle, I believe, the 5 accounts. I'm hating on Apex for years. Well, I don't know why for years. Apex was good until the whole video thing, I guess. It's like end of 2024. But that's when all the scamming started to happen. You know, these prop firms got huge. Yeah, market's doing nothing right now. But it's gonna keep grinding higher. It pissed me off. Yeah, I don't know how. I don't know when the live accounts are gonna happen. Black Magic, it doesn't matter. You know, being anti Apex. How much money have you withdrawn from other prop firms? That's what you gotta, you know. That's how you become a better person. Instead of hating, show the good. Like, oh, I took out 80,000 from TRADEIFY. I took out 50,000 from Lucid. I took out 100,000 from Top Step. And that's why they're better. You know, I'm in New York. You know what happens in New York? There's a lot of sporting fans in New York that celebrate the other team losing more than they celebrate their own team's win or success. This happens in a lot of New York sports because there's obviously multiple sporting teams in every sport. And those people are just weird. Do you have to pass within 30 days with Apex? Yes. You have to pass within 30 days. If you don't pass within 30 days, you might be in the 0.100%. Same with Ronaldo and Messi fans. Yeah, that's that, you know, that happens in every sport. It's like, oh, Ronaldo sucks, Messi's better. It's like, dude, they're both great. Like, can we just relax? Yes, QUANTOWER can definitely. Did I miss that question? Yeah, there's no confirmation for hotkeys. My QUANTOWER just froze. Turn this off. Yeah, so like the only hotkey I have is canceling orders. So like if I place an order, I could hit a space. See, there's no confirmation. Wow, 200 points we could have had. Just had to be patient. Had to be the one. It's like, you know what? The accounts are done. Let's just go for it. Had that chance yesterday and today. On funded accounts, there is no profit buffer to reach with daily withdrawal. I thought the new accounts didn't have daily withdrawals. What did I miss? Really got to get some work done today. I have not done any work on my yard. The grapple I bought yesterday needs some parts, so it's like, oh my god. Oh, come on. Why is the market so slow all of a sudden? I'm gonna get my breakfast delivered soon, and we're gonna do a giveaway for TPT. TPT giveaway. Hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button. What would Kala be looking at? Kala's probably looking at whether he should get a Ferrari 812 or a Aventador. I think that's what he's looking at. Which V12 is better? You know what car I saw this weekend at a wedding? The Urus. And I really like it. Maybe I should buy a Urus. He's done trading already? I don't know if he's done trading. He's on Discord. Well, 680 held again. Why not buy both? Because it's a lot of money. Yeah, it's only 7 o'clock. It's not even 8 o'clock there yet. It's a nice work day for him. Do you have a good day today? These are the drops we just got to take advantage of. These big drops keep happening and they keep rebounding. Just that's got to be it. Just like one day it won't rebound and I'll lose 20 accounts. Well, yeah. But in the meantime, you'll make a lot of money. So it's not the pullbacks. Oh, you mean like here? But we've been getting that secondary. We've been getting that secondary dip. We could get a dip to like 580 or 620, I'll buy. But right here in this range, I'm scared. No, it's the yellow lines are just basically visual reference for every 80 and 20 level. Oh man, it's crazy how we could go from like feeling so good for months to like feeling like crap in just a couple of days. And that just shows you it's not about the money in trading, because it's not about the money right now. I just took out $70,000. That is basically like 3 good months in a row of 25 grand a month. There's people that have never taken out 70K their entire trading career. So it's not about the money. It's just, it's the performance factor. But we keep on grinding higher. Crazy. It is absolutely. Say hi to Nutty. See how he's doing. I guess. I asked Nutty if I could mow his lawn. Make sure you guys hit that like button though, because we are gonna do a giveaway shortly. My food should be here soon. I don't know why this guy's not picking up the food. I don't know what he's doing. Oh man. All right, we're getting a pullback. Come on. Dip it, dip it, dip it. I'm going to start the giveaway here. I don't know what happened to my food. This guy's like lost or something. Come on, man. I can't even get a pullback. Oh man. Come on. I'm gonna get my bagel. We're gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna talk for a little bit and then call it a day. If I finish it like this, it'll not be the end of the world. I'd like to get one more trade though. Oh, we gotta move fast. Market's gotta pick up the pace. I mean, if it just rips here, that's gonna be crazy. Which I would not be surprised one bit with the market conditions that we have currently. Kind of how I blew my TPT yesterday. I thought this was gonna roll over here, and boom, so fast, just gets bought up. I was up like $800 here too, at 3 contracts. Kind of doing the same thing here. Well, let's see. I don't know what to do with TPT. I don't know if I should just... Can I reset TPT or something? Because I really don't feel like spending too much money. 718. Okay, I could reset. How much is it reset? $200. Damn. They really messed it up with the resets. Oh. Lucid. Might as well buy Lucid though. I don't know if I'm gonna buy 620. Or should we just wait? That's always a dilemma. It's like if I wait, it's not gonna work. But if I buy, it's gonna be an obvious long here at 520 again, double bottom. Or 580. I mean 480. 580 could work too. Come on. Get it back down there. Max out the TPT accounts if you haven't already. Well, I don't have any TPT accounts, but they're expensive right now. I should just reset all 5. $7,500. Oh god, that would be a very smart financial decision. Food's here. Damn, they burnt this bagel. We can't even get a pullback. Unbelievable. How do we just bounce every time? Pine tree in the house. Let's go. How's it going, Pine Tree? It's not going well over here this month. Same thing, Pine Tree. I blew my last TPT yesterday. And then blew my first set of Apex accounts this year today. But it's on the 5-day, not a 5-day losing streak, but 5 out of the last 7 days have been red. So ever since we hit 30,000 on NQ, I've had 5 red days and 2 green days. Pretty sad. As soon as I finish eating this bagel, we're doing a giveaway. So hit that like and enter. An hour of sideways. Sesame bagel toasted. And it's actually burnt, but it tastes good. Unbelievable. All right. What did I say? So I finished my bagel and we're doing the giveaway. Mhm. How come everyone's entering now? It makes no sense. Where are you guys coming from? All right, 11:15. I'll give you till 11:15 because I'm a nice guy. $45 seconds. That's the same guy you were watching last time. Nice. Well, good luck on that. Second procedure. I wanted to be a doctor, physician assistant, but that was my dream before I became a full-time DJ and trader. All right. Everyone is in. Leon just made it. All right. 161 horses. It's a lot of horses. Good luck, everyone. TPT, 50K evaluation on the line.
Hello, chat. Happy Wednesday. Here we go. Not even 200. 161 horses. To the finish line. Who gets there first? Vibrant Energy TV. Off with a hot start. Hostile as well. Or hostile. Jefe! Jefe! Is that Alpine? Is that my Jefe? Nick Parker also trying Bolteri. Rich. Everyone's going for it. Techniques with the speed. El Torito! Sounds like a perfect name for this. Alrighty. 40 seconds on the clock. To the finish line they go. 30 seconds. Come on, spank that horse. Spank it. Hostile Trader still in the lead. Oh, he's falling back. Jay Mills is taking their lead with 20 seconds to go. But there's Sage. Oh my goodness, Sage. We love Sage. Win Everything Trading. K-Thor. Paul. Oh my goodness. Who is it going to be? Fausting. Fausting wins. Came out of nowhere. Did not see this horse at all. And last place, Sharky. At least he saved the energy for the next one. All right, congrats to our winner. And we'll do another one tomorrow. Every day this week. Bye-bye.
How can I join? You could join tomorrow. send me an email, and I need your Take Profit Trader email address as well. Yes, I did get your email. Sometimes they're slow with transferring the accounts, just so you know. Fortunately, that's how TPT works, especially on Mondays. Tuesdays and on, they're usually better, but you should have your account today. Make sure by end of the day you check the credits. Oh man, I was hoping for one more trade, but I don't think we're gonna get it. Wait 10 more minutes. Let's see if we could get it pull back. There we go. We're getting some pullback. Do we buy this? Missed that 620 buy. My computer just froze. We might as well. If not, we'll buy 580. We'll do the same thing. 580 and can she bounce here? Doesn't look like it. Still chance. Oh, wait, we're getting a bounce. Not even paying attention. Let's go, chat. I think this will give us $1,000 day. That'll be a perfect end to a tough day. Come on. Yes. Come on. All right, just under 1,000. 1,000 before commissions. All right. We needed that. We needed that. We needed that. Let's go. Alpha, thank you for calling that out. Bella, how we doing? How's life? Ready for London? I heard Okala's going to London. All right, needed that really, really, really bad. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Apex accounts. 8 Apex accounts. So if we get one payout from those, that would be a solid month. Yep, Black Magic, that's true. You're tired? Take a sip. But it is like 12 o'clock at night, isn't it? Wow, what a bounce. What a bounce. What a bounce. I wanted just to get 1,000, so I did get my goal, so I can't complain. Oh, I'm still sad about losing my Apex accounts today. The first set of Apex accounts lost in 2026 that reached the payout. Oh, so sad. And it didn't have to happen, actually. Just very unfortunate right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 losses in a row. Wow, look at that bounce. Wow. It's going to the highs now, isn't it? You going to any World Cup games? No. No. It's gonna be a mess. I would go to the Brazil game, but tickets are crazy expensive. Maybe I'll go. I don't know. Maybe I'll go to the final. I heard the tickets for the final are not too bad. If I just take all my payouts from last month, I could buy the tickets for the final. Great. Damn, what a bounce. Oh my god, should have held. Should have held to 680. I was too anxious. All right. I don't know what to say today. Technically, it's still a red day. Down $1,600. But I feel like it's a green day overall. Came down from down $2,000 on these accounts. Back up to $1,000 profit. From down 2,000 to up 1,000, that's $3,000 profit. We'll take that. We'll take that. All right, boys and girls. We'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to go to a supply store, buy some parts for my grapple, and gotta get some work done. I have a dumpster at my house, and I just have not been able to get stuff done that what I want. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And Friday. We'll be streaming every day this week. Giveaways every day. But yeah, it's gotta keep the stream shorter because the weather's perfect, no rain. And I gotta fill this dumpster so they could pick it up before it rains. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy with today. Finally ending the day at least on the positive. It's not been a great day, but ending the day with 2 big wins. Saved 8 accounts, or not 8, but saved 4 accounts from Apex. Have 8 accounts left. We could definitely still manage to get some payouts. Yeah, if we could get $25,000 this month, that would be amazing. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.